If you're studying for the INBDE, I highly recommend INBDE Bootcamp, an all-in-one study resource that will help you pass your exam. Use coupon code MENTALDENTAL for 10% off. Hey everyone, Dr. Ryan here, and welcome back to Mental Dental. In this video, I just want to share one of the most special moments of the year for me so far, and that was teaching the first in-person event that I've ever done. I've been on YouTube for well over 10 years now, and I've loved every moment of it. And it's always been a dream of mine, though, to meet some of my subscribers in person. And the Mental Dental Institute is my dream come true. Last time we ran this event, I met 25 of my amazing subscribers, worked with them one-on-one to teach them hands-on clinical skills, professional interviewing skills, and so much more. And I love teaching online and through videos, and I'll continue to do that. But there's something special about interacting with you in person. And I'm so happy that we'll be bringing this back. We'll be doing our special bench prep course again in just a few weeks. And there's only a few spots left. So if you want to join, let me tell you a little bit more about it so you know what you can expect. My in-person course is coming back bigger, better, and more impactful than before. Our last bench prep course was an incredible success. It was a full weekend of hands-on training, expert mentorship, and unforgettable connections. The feedback from our participants last time was overwhelmingly positive, and their results speak for themselves. Many of them left not only more confident, but fully prepared to excel on their bench exams and in their interviews. And we had so many people from the last institute succeed, and they were accepted this cycle, many of them into their dream top choice school. And it's just an incredible feeling being on this side, helping mentor them and lead them into this next step of their journey. The Mental Dental Institute is an in-person 2-day intensive workshop designed specifically for internationally trained or foreign trained dentists preparing for their bench tests, applications, and interviews. During the course, you'll master key restorative skills, including Class 2 and Class 4 preparation designs, composite restorations, crown preparation, and temporization. You'll also receive focused training on interview techniques so you can stand out and impress the selection committees. What makes this experience truly unique, though, is the quality of mentorship you'll receive. You'll learn directly from 3 dental experts, Dr. Tasir Suleiman, Dr. Awab Suleiman, and myself, all of whom are recognized leaders in their fields and actively involved in international dentist selection. Our combined experience has guided tens of thousands of foreign-trained dentists towards success, and during the course, we'll provide you with the same personalized one-on-one feedback to help you refine your techniques and boost your confidence along the way. This course isn't just about practicing your skills, though. It's about full transformation. You'll build meaningful relationships with mentors who care deeply about your growth and progress, and with colleagues who could very well be your future classmates. By the end of the weekend, you'll walk away with not only improved clinical abilities, but also a certificate of completion and a letter of recommendation written by us that can strengthen your application and open new doors for your career. The Mental Dental Institute provides a fully equipped environment for hands-on learning. Students should bring their own typodont mount, and practice teeth, while we supply everything else: motors, handpieces, curing lights, restorative materials, and your individual workstations. Every detail has been carefully designed to create a professional, supportive, and productive learning experience for you. We also make sure that you're fully taken care of throughout the weekend. All of the meals are included: breakfast, lunch, and snacks on both days, along with a group dinner where you can connect with other participants and instructors in a more relaxed social setting. Photos are welcome throughout the event, and we'll also be providing detailed handouts to help you continue practicing after the course ends. The Mental Dental Institute is more than just another bench prep course. It's a career-changing experience that combines clinical mastery, mentorship, and networking. If you're serious about passing your bench exam and taking your next big step as a dentist, this is the single best investment you can make. Join us for an unforgettable weekend of growth, skill building, and confidence, and take your first step toward transforming your future. Join us at the Mental Dental Institute, happening November 1st and 2nd in Charlotte, North Carolina. Limited seats are available, so register now at mentaldental.com/events. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. God bless you, and I'll see you in person at the Mental Dental Institute.
Hi guys, my name is Julia. I'm originally from Ukraine. I'm internationally trained dentist, and today I'm here with the awesome mentors, Dr. Ryan, Dr. Awab, Dr. Suleiman, the best mentors ever. So we are going through the bench test prep, 2 days intense course, and we are doing preps for the crowns, for the resins. So after those 2 days, I gained so much experience, I gained so much more confidence, and good luck to everyone. Hopefully we're gonna get in to the schools of our dreams. So we're having so much fun.
Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Hashimi from Afghanistan. Okay, what I really love, great mentor. First of all, we have great mentor here, Dr. Ryan, Dr. Sulaiman, Dr. Awam. They have done a lot, and everything that they are telling us, it's with a lot of experience, and immediately we catch that. I got all of my answers for all class 2 questions that I had. I got answer for all of that.
So I just want to thank Dr. Ryan, Dr. Awab Suleiman, and Dr. Taysir Suleiman for this opportunity today. And especially they make everything to be easy for us, from the bench test, from the interview day. And they provided us with a bunch of information. So really thank you for all of them. And I hope this cycle we're gonna get in the school. Thank you very much.